Hi, this is Resh, and today I'm going to take you step by step through the process on how you can go about getting your very own free Systeme.io account. But that's not all. What happens when you get your free account? Where do you go to next? And that's why I'm going to also give you some bonuses. One of them being your very first free homepage funnel that you can get set up immediately in your Systeme.io account, and you can start using it. All you have to do is just do some editing, and there's another special bonus that I got, so stick to the end of the video and I'll show you what that is all about. So let's get started. Okay, so before I show you how to go about creating your free account with Systeme.io, what exactly is Systeme.io all about? It's simply an all-in-one marketing platform, and it caters for businesses of all sizes to grow their online presence. It includes a variety of features. You've got a website builder, you've got a landing page builder, you can build sales funnels, you can do email marketing, you can do webinar hosting, and affiliate marketing. Now, why should you sign up with Systeme.io? Now you're going to ask yourself, why should I sign up and get a free Systeme.io account? Well, one of the main reasons is that you're going to save a lot of money. Even if you decide to up your plan to one of the paid plans, and I'm going to talk to you shortly about the premium plans, but you're still going to save a lot of money. Instead of you hopping from one place to another to get maybe an email autoresponder, then you're going to register with another software to build your funnels, then you want to create a course, and then you're going to go somewhere else. With Systeme.io, everything is under one roof, and it makes it so convenient, and you only get it at one price. Then, apart from it being affordable, it's also very easy to use. There's a lot of features that you can actually check out within the platform, and it's a great choice for beginners because they offer tons of tutorials and resources for one to get started. Okay, so here we come to the step of where you can get your free Systeme.io account. All you have to do is go below this video and you will find a link where it says join the Systeme.io all-in-one marketing tool, free membership, and all you simply do is you just click on this link over here. Alright, so after you click on that link, then it will get you to this page here. This is the official Systeme.io homepage, and this is where you're going to create your free account. You just click on the button where it says get my free account. You just enter your email address, and once you click on the blue button, then it will look something like this. Alright, so then this is just one of the dummy accounts that I've created. I just want to show you what it looks like in the members area. So if you are brand new and you're signing up for the free account, then there'll be this upgrade button which will tell you if you want to upgrade to another plan. You don't necessarily have to, but then this is what it looks like, plain and simple. And at this point in time, let me quickly just show you what the pricing is. If I click on upgrade, then you will get an idea of the different pricing plans that they have. Now, on the free membership, which is $0 per month, and you can stay as a free member for as long as you want. You've got 2,000 member contacts. You can build a sales funnel, one of 3 sales funnels. Well, I've already built one. Sales funnel steps, you've got 3. You can build one blog, which is a website, or access to one course, automation rules, email campaigns, 1 email campaigns, and a webinar, 1 webinar, and a marketplace. And most of these are basically one each, but the main thing is the course. You can get a chance to build your free course, your free webinars, your email campaign, and a sales funnel, all of that with the free plan. Now, these are the different prices. You get the startup, the webinar, and the unlimited plans, and they have different features offered within each of the plans. Okay, so now one of the most commonly asked questions is the free account enough for me? Do I really need to upgrade? And the answer is really does depend on your business, what you are promoting, and your audience. So if you're just getting started, if you have one single product of your own that you want to sell, let's just say you decide to do it via a webinar. As you have seen, there is a webinar option. Once people watch the webinar, they're probably going to go through your course, and there you can create your course and send people from your webinar to your course, which Systeme.io also offers. Then if you are an affiliate marketer, you don't have your own product that you want to sell, you want to market other people's products, then it's very easy to have a simple funnel set up with Systeme.io. Just like if you would have your own product, you're going to have your squeeze page or your opt-in page. This is where you're going to capture people's email address, and Systeme.io allows you to do email marketing where you have an email list and you can regularly keep in touch with your audience. You also have a blogger, so any updates that you need to do, or you want to keep your audience in touch with what's going on with your product or service, you can easily write a blog article, which Systeme.io also offers. So as you can see, all of this is provided to you within the free Systeme.io account. But it really does depend on your business and the needs of your business if you feel the need to upgrade. And the cool part is with Systeme.io, you can upgrade and downgrade between plans as you choose. And they also have a yearly options. If you want to save some money, then you rather go yearly. Okay, so now it's time for me to give you some bonuses as I promised you in the beginning of the video. And the bonus that I'm going to give to you is a home page funnel. And this is within Systeme.io. I want to show you what it looks like. So let's head over to it. Alright, so here we are back in Systeme.io. Now here where you go to funnels, this is the funnel that I'm going to give to you. All you simply do is I just want to show you what it looks like. You click on home page, and here you can click on view the funnel step. And this is the home page. Now what's so important about our home page? It's the front door to your website. When visitors come, this is the first thing they're going to learn about your business. So it needs to give a good impression of what your business is all about. Also very important is a home page can convert your leads into customers. So you need to actually have very good and clear call to actions. You must also have an opt-in page which will allow your viewers to register so that you can also follow up with them later on. A home page can also rank very well within the SERPs, provided you optimize your home page the right way. And the last thing, it allows you to test things, your bounce rates and various other metrics to see. You can even A/B test, and you can do it within Systeme.io to see which version of homepage resonates better with your audience. So here's the homepage that you're going to be getting. Get a specific outcome. Now this is just a rough version. You can edit it, and we're going to talk more about how to go about editing your homepage shortly as one of the bonuses. So here you can actually put testimonials here, and here's a headline of why your business is different from everyone else's, and then there's other headlines. Then you can put some high points about your business over here, and then here you can talk about who the founders of your company are or more about yourself, right? And then here are the testimonials, right, about your business and how they can help you. These are the personal coaching, and that's a very simple homepage. Okay, so now this is a step where I'm going to show you how you can import this funnel into your free Systeme.io account. So now let's just assume you already got your free Systeme.io account. If you haven't, you know where to get that link. It's in the video description. Once you click on that link, you come to your member dashboard area, and when you click on funnels, in your case you will not have any funnels at the moment. Now in this account of mine, I have 2 funnels, but I don't have the home page funnel. So how do I get it? So we go to my the link where I showed you. So all you gotta do is you come to where it says claim my free homepage template. This link is also in the video description, just after the one where you can sign up for free. And once you click on that, and as you can see, once you click on that link, it will be here in your funnel section. So now if you click on funnels again, you can see now I have 3 funnels and not 2 as previously. So all you have to do is you just have to click on that link, but make sure that your free account is open. And once it's open, the funnel will automatically be loaded into the funnel section. And then once you are there, you'll see it's there, and then you can view your funnel step. And the cool part also is that you can also share this funnel with anybody you want to for free, and anybody who signs up and opens up a free account, and if you decide to take out a pay plan, you will also earn a commission. So Systeme.io also has a very cool affiliate program, and that's why, with full disclosure, I would also like to say that I'm also an affiliate for Systeme.io. So if you do make a purchase on any of the plans, then I will get a commission, but it's at no extra cost to you. So now let's talk about some of the other bonuses that I have in store for you. Okay, so you got yourself a free account, you registered, and you clicked on the link, and now you even got a homepage funnel and you're ready to get started. But now you might be thinking, if I'm new now to Systeme.io, how do I navigate around the platform? How do I learn about the different features? And that's the other bonus that I've got for you, where you can take a free Systeme.io certification course and you can become Systeme.io certified. Not only that, you'll get access to the Facebook private group of Systeme.io, and you get a lot of tips from them, and they also show you on how you can market programs within the affiliate marketplace. A lot of cool stuff. So the Systeme.io course, like I said, is free. All you have to do is, there's another link below the one where you get your homepage link called Get Systeme.io Certified. Simply click on that link, and when you click on that link, whilst you got your free account, then it will bring you to a page like this where it says Get Systeme.io Certified, and you can become an expert with our free video certification course. You just click on the button and you just follow the instructions in there, and the course will load in your members area within your free account. You can take it as in when you have free time. Once you become certified with Systeme.io, you'll be more confident about the platform. So that is the one bonus. And then the other bonus is, so you got your homepage, you got your free account, you've got your certification. But now, one of the things Systeme.io is not going to teach you is how to get traffic to your business. And maybe one of the ways that you can do that is to register for one of my number one recommendations, where you can sign up for an affiliate marketing training course. And my number one recommendation is the fourth link, where you can check out my number one training, online business training platform that can help you get started on learning how to get traffic to your funnels, to your courses, to your webinars, and you can make affiliate commissions. And there you have it. Now you know how to go about getting your free Systeme.io account. You also learned about a free certification course, and you're also gonna get a free homepage template. I hope that this video has helped you out, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it below this video. And I wish you everything of the best in your online success, and looking forward to checking out in my next video. So if you found this channel helpful, feel free to subscribe so we can check in my next video. Goodbye.